Friends, today we are discussing mysql tables. I can't wait. So today we are discussing mysql tables. Now we covered each topics like what is the need of tables, how to store in database through the help of tables, different types of operations. So I'm telling need of tables and how to store in database through the help of tables and different types. So we are discussing topics look at now through the PowerPoint presentation, which topics we covered in MySQL tables, like create tables, show tables, alter tables, like create table, how to create table, how to retrieve the table, show table means alter table means we are updating, deleting, and retrieving the data by the help of alter attribute, and rename, how to rename current table to future table, and clone table means duplicate. Truncate table. Truncate means like deleted only database. Now we are discussing truncate table, drop table, near to relation, and repair table. I cover repair table in further classes. So describe table, retrieve the table by help of for describe tables. Table lockings also we are discussing later. Even all delete, add delete columns, show columns, rename columns already we cover in the topic of other tables. So we are going. Actually, what is the need of table in MySQL? Look like this. In our Chrome, use web applications stored, right? That time we are submitting some data, some data. Then the data will store in the form of tables. That's what. So that's what we are using MySQL in real-time manner. I will explain simple example like in real-time example Instagram page, for example. Some database will store some table. One table created in Instagram developer because by the storing purpose. The person, yeah, suppose I'm creating one Instagram ID. Before that, we are using Instagram like reels, updates, news, and feeds, everything. Before I'm using Instagram ID, Instagram asks some questions like sign up process is here. Sign up process. In the sign up process, before I using Instagram like reels, scene, or feeds, everything. Whatever the Instagram gives, I use it, right? Like vlogs, everything. So before that, I'm using Instagram. I have completed one task like a sign up process. In the sign up process, yeah. So we are completed sign up task, sign up process. Instagram asks some questions like name, address, phone number, email, so on so. So we are submitting these details. The MySQL developer, my information will store in the database. Help of for tables. Here now name. Already my Instagram developer created a table by purpose of storing name, address, address, phone number, email. So whenever we are submitting the data in the sign up process, the data will store in database in separate columns. Name database, name column, we store name, email, email. So that kind of perceptions we are using create tables by the purpose of storing different data like name we are storing only names, column we are storing column. So that's the need of MySQL tables. So first of all, we are talking create table, how to create table. Already we stored yesterday was the database. So look at now. I'm opening MySQL server password. Server connected. Already we created a fuzzy database. So look at now. Show the database first of all. Create table. Create table. Syntax. Create table. Table name and the values semicolon. So look at the PowerPoint presentation. In MySQL query to create a table must define a structure of table because we need storing purpose. That's what we are using tables. Why? Because the sign up process completed. Whenever we are submitting data, we store in structure, structure way, structure way store in the tables. That's what we are using MySQL create tables. The structure consists of name of tables and names of columns in the table with each column data type. Data type it's mandatory for because myself I'm Nagraj Gala. So without talking my surname, we don't have Nagraj. Nagraj in the market is members. That's what me myself Nagraj Gala. So I'm calling somebody's calling Nagraj. I'm in market. I'm in market. Market. One of my friend call me. One of my friend call me. Call me. My name only. Because he is my friend, that's what he called me. Nagraj, come here, come here. In the market, each member is there. So I listening his word, but I'm not reacting because each member is there. Nagraj is Nagraj. He did call Galam Nagraj. I respond, hi, hi, how are you? So that's the need of for database. In the MySQL manner, database is the mandatory, like where we are using, what data type we are using because of storage purpose. Names database type, email database. That's what. So note each table must be unique name in a database. Unique means a key. Myself, okay. We are discussing in key topics. You easy to understand. Syntax create table, table name, column, column name, data type, column 2 data type, column n data type. Each numbers, each database we are creating. Primary key, it's a key concept. We are discussing a key concept. Example, create table, verification. Already created. How to show the create table by the help of desk. In the desk concept, we are using describing a MySQL table refers to retrieving in data definition like database. Whatever the data we are creating, how to show. So by the purpose of showing, we are using describe table. Describe statement we are using or desk statement we are using or show columns in statement we are using. Even syntax describe table table name and also show. Look at now in MySQL we use the show tables command to retrieve the name of tables that are present in specific database. In syntax, show tables by the purpose of showing. And also we are using show tables in different databases. In MySQL, we can retrieve the data list are present in another database. Syntax like show tables in database. We are using this syntax. Different databases we show in the figures using pattern matching. Now I'm clarifying this class for three operations in MySQL manner. MySQL tables topic, create table, we are discussed, show table, describe table, and finally for insert values in the table. How to insert values in the table. Map. So I discussed what is the need of MySQL tables. So me using Instagram, before that using Instagram, I have a task like sign up process. I completed sign up process. Instagram asks some data in myself. I'm putting my data in MySQL sign up process. The data will stored in table format because separation database. That's what we are using MySQL tables. So create table. So I'm using so syntax of create table. Create table. Table name. Column one. Column one. Data type. Comma. Column n. Data type. Semicolon. So now yeah, I'm implementing MySQL server. Look at now. So first of all, in MySQL manner, whenever we are creating table, before that, choose the database and select the database, then create table. So look at now.